Hi, and we hope you had a good holiday and all the best for 2023 from everyone at the 8K Association. I'm Bob Raikes and I'm here with highlights of issue 86 of the 8K Association Monitor newsletter. Chris is at CES for the 8K Association, where he'll be looking at all things 8K. He got a heads up from Samsung and visited Korea back before the holidays to see what they were going to be announcing. And what's clear is that they're still all in on 8K. There'll be a new range of 8K Neo QLED TVs that will head up their TV range. They're making available a lot more 8K content with special deals which will be announced during the show. They've got 8K wide monitors, which kind of fills in what we thought was going to happen from the rumours and speculation before Christmas. And there's also going to be a new 8K version of their laser projector. Laser projectors are delivering really good quality these days, and we're going to have more on that in the 8K monitor over the next week or two. Anyway, you can hear what Samsung's going to say at CES from Chris in issue 86. Meanwhile, I've been busy looking at content creation. Nyriad and its partner Atto have developed systems for real-time scrubbing of 8K video. You know, 8K video produces a lot of bits when you're dealing with high-quality, uncompressed content or only lightly compressed content, and it can be tricky to edit without using proxies, and those slow you down. Nyriad and Atto, Nyriad works on the storage, Atto works on the network interfaces, have combined to show that you can really save a lot of time on 8K projects by getting their technology in. They can also combine to allow multiple users to access the same live 8K content for editing, and that can save real time. They've done a case study, so there's more detail in our article.